Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you are someone who wants to start learning Java but feel confused about way to write the code and how to even create your first file, don't worry. This video is for you. By the end of the video, you will be able to understand what exactly the code editors are, know why we are using VS Code, create your first Java file and run it successfully. So let's get started. First, let's understand something basic. To write any programming language, we need something called code editor or the IDE. So, in your childhood, when you are writing the maths problems or anything, you require a notebook, right? So, that is the same it applies for the coding too. So, you need any tools to write some of the codes and to run it. So, some popular code editors and IDEs are VS Code, IntelliJ, Eclipse, Notepad++. Now you might ask me, why are we using VS Code? So they are free and lightweight, very beginner friendly, supports multi-programming language. That is, you can, if you write .java, then it becomes a Java file. If you write .py, then a Python file, and .html means it will be useful for writing the HTML scripts. So, and has powerful extensions for Java. So, instead of using heavy tools like VS Code, make it simple, especially when you're starting out. Now, before we create a Java file, we need few things to be installed. That is Java JDK, that is Java Development Kit. This is the VS Code. So, I will provide you some links for the VS Code to download, which I will be providing you in the description. So apart from JDK VS Code and Java extension pack, you don't need anything else inside the VS Code. So now open the VS Code. So this will be the symbol of the VS Code which will be downloaded and it will be present either in your downloads or in your desktop. Okay, on the left hand side, click on the extension. You will, if you just hover on the icons, which will be in the left hand side, see, this is Explorer, Search, Source, Run and Debug. This is the extension part. So when you click on this, or if you want a shortcut in your keyboard, just press Ctrl, Shift, and X. Okay, here you have to search for Java extension pack. So the first one which you are seeing, you have to download this. Nothing, you have to just click on it, and here you will be getting a download symbol. Just click on it and just restart your terminal or the VS Code. Okay. This extension gives you everything like auto suggestions, error checking, and the ability to run the Java code easily, which I will be showing you in the next steps. Okay, so now let's create our first project. This is the file. If you want to, just create a folder. So it may be Java file. Just select folder. So you will be directed to the Java file folder. Okay. When you open it, you will see it as the name you have entered. Okay. Now comes the main part, creating a Java file. So on the left hand panel, see here, you have a new file option. You can click it over there or just go here and click it over here. That is Control Alt Windows plus N is the short key. So when you click on this, let's create our first Java program, that is Hello World. So whenever you're creating a file, that too in the Java, you have to give extension as .java. Okay, and click enter, and your first Java file is ready to go. Now let's write our first programming language. So first let's keep. Yep. See, you have downloaded the Java extension pack, right? This is how the auto suggestion work. Just click on the tab. you will be directed here, and then this, see, auto suggestions is like this how it works, and then we have to print the things. So system.out.println hello world. Whenever we are trying to do the programming language or anything, this is the one, like first we are writing a hello world program. So yeah, this is how the program is, and the structure and all. If you don't know, just visit my other playlist. You will get to know how exactly and what exactly do we use for this structure. So for the brief, if you see here, we have created a class name called Hello World, and main method, this is the starting point, and system.out.println, this is used to print output on the screen. So this programming simply prints hello world. See, here you are having a button, right? Just click here and run Java. So just wait for a few minutes. See, hello world. Yes, this is your class name, and this is what you have written over there in the print statement. So, so before I end the video, here are some of the common mistakes beginners might make. So file name and the class name not matching. That is, this is the file name and this is the class name. If I write this also, it will be a wrong one. See, in my VS Code, it is throwing a error. What is the error? The public type hello world must be defined in its own file. So what it is telling is simple. In the file you have written as hello world with W capital, but now you have written W as small, which is not matching at all, and forgetting some semicolon maybe. Here if you do like this, you will get an error. Syntax error. Insert semicolon to complete the block statements. That is, if you write this, you're completely error free. Java not installed properly. Maybe you have to go to the extension and search once, or just restart your terminal. Not saving the file before running. See, if I just create something and if I don't save it and blindly run the program, then it might not run what exactly as you need it. So if something goes wrong, check these first. So yeah, that's how you create and run your first Java program in VS Code. In the next videos, we will be learn how to take input from the user in Java. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.